Hey guys, welcome back. As you see, I have a couple more of these panels glued up and they have to dry. But in the meantime, I have to go out to the camper and remove some things because we have enough panels to get started on the assembly process. So come with me outside and we take a look. So this extendable support leg is mounted to the floor before the side walls go on. So I have to cut this out somewhere here and get to the fasteners down here and up here, repaint them and get them ready for the assembly. But I have to remove some stuff from the inside, which is this bathroom cabinet, because the leg is up in that corner, so I have to remove this whole thing and get to the leg. And the other side is behind this door somewhere, probably up right there somewhere in that corner. So I have to disassemble this whole kitchen cabinet thingy, and this is from the outside. So I have to cut it out from here, somewhere like that. So let's do that. There is the leg. Sorry, it's a little bit dark, but it's the same as on the other side. They cut out a bigger hole, and this makes it easier to put in the leg after the walls are all set up. So they just slide up the leg and slide it through the hole. And there are some markings as well for the center hole for the adjustment. And this would make it also easily replaceable. If something happens along the way with the leg, just knock this piece of wood out and slide out the leg. So there are the bolts over there. Let me cut them out and we go from there. And I also took out the vent covers, which I'm going to reuse on the new one, and I have to make these runners here. Let me show you where they go. Because the camper sits on this edge over here on the truck, and it's just screwed down by those anchor points over there. And I also have to remake these parts over here where the leg mounts to, one on both sides. So let's get inside because it started to rain. treated the underside of the bottom plate with raw linseed oil. I used 1 liter of it and let this all soak in. It's still a bit wet, but I left these outside edges clean so that it won't mess up the glue surfaces. But now I have to flip this over and make the cutouts for the legs. So let me clean up a little bit and we go from there. Place is all cleaned up and I arranged the walls and everything in that order that I need them on both sides. It's a very small space, so I have to work with what I got, and let's finally make the cutouts for the legs. And the PVC weighs about 11 kilograms with 2 kilograms of glue. But I have to roll this out and cut it to size and leave it there for at least 24 hours to stretch and straighten out so that I can glue it on in the morning. I really like how this turned out, but I hope it will hold up to the use because I haven't done any vinyl sheet flooring ever, so I just did what the guy told me at the store, so let's hope the best. If you have any comments about this or how it's properly done, please leave it in the comments down below. But this is all the time I have for this week. Thank you guys for watching, and huge thanks to Shepard for sponsoring this video, and see you soon. Bye!